afternoon, everyone. Today is Saturday around 3 p.m. New York time, and we're gonna do with a daily technical video all day, guys. For this coming week, we're expecting a same things I we spread for the ends of last week. What we're expecting for this coming week is nothing more than some type of dollar strength. We ain't gonna change the virus until the market prove me wrong. We have been doing this for a while now, and we know when something does not look good. All you guys know that that we were bullish here, but this recovery do not look to me like a bullish count. I'm gonna stay with that until the market proves me wrong. For me, this is nothing more than either W, S, Y, S, and Z that is gonna test the 140, 138.36 low very soon, and then going higher, or this is the top, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Those are the only two counts at this stage that I'm dealing with, and I believe there is an alternative when this is A, B, C, and we're going higher on the S way of the B way. Now, the points of reference will give me a lot of insurance about it is that this high here is the 50% retracement of this move, typical of the 666R, and now I see the euro possible that have been ended the correction here or testing the 44.97 area before it goes lower. That's what we see in euro on the dailies. Now, another dailies that I want to point out to you guys is the CAD. The CAD is calling from the same scenario 1, 2, 3, and a flat with a recovery either from here, or if we get in the C way diagonal here with another low and then a recovery in the dollar. That's good enough, guys, to understand where we're coming from. Now, S&P looks like it's gonna get a set out next week, and it's gonna go lower on the C way. Another trade that I want to point out to you guys is the Aussie Yen. We're gonna be sending the Aussie Yen trade during the week, and we like it like this. We like to get into the C way with a possible huge and pretty good swing trade there that we can get. So we were trying to sell the Aussie Yen around 85.78 for a possible target of 82. So a pretty good pretty good swing trade right there that we were looking to get. Also, let me go over pound. Let me go over, yeah, 1 second here. The pound looks like it's following our proposal path, and the pound is in the proposal B way, and it looks like we got the A, the B, and then it looks like the 63.97, 79 area can be a huge turning point in the pound. Remember, pound always like three ways and likes 61.8. Another one that I want to show you guys is the Aussie. We have changed the count on the Aussie, and we put in it. Our system is trading is telling me that Aussie is doing a flat, most likely. When you got either 3 here or you got 5 here. This is A and this is B, and this is A, B, C, W, S, A, B, C with another 2, 1 to go. Or this is A and then we got a flat B when you got A, B, and then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 almost ending. Both scenarios is possible, but there are too many 5 ways there for me to believe that this is nothing that a flat. This is telling me that this is the dollar should get strong against the Aussie. Same is taking place with the yen, with with the New Zealand. Then in the yen pair, we have changed a little bit a daily count on the yen. When we labeling this now as a 3, this is a 4, and we're ending wave A of the 5th wave ending diagonal. I want you guys to check on it on the dailies and the weekly count. We have changed it, and we're seeing a 75.40 54 low on the yen. Okay, what else? Gold, we still believe that gold got more to the upside, and it's gonna test the next high should happen around 1634. S&P, as you guys know, we believe that it's gonna trade lower next week in some degrees. And then finally, let's take a look at the short-term euro, because I know you guys like it. We believe that the euro can be doing 2 counts, and this is as simple as it gets, guys. If this is A in 5 weeks, and then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we get a 5. If this is corrective and this is A, we got B, and then we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a diagonal wave C, and that's gonna be the C wave. We believe that this move is a complete 5. We believe that this move is a complete 5, and then we have an alternative count where we're calling 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. I don't like it. And then this is B, and then right here we go like, 1 second, right here we go like a 1, the 2, the 3, a 4 here, and a proposal 5. Either way, I believe that the area around 145, 144.60, 145 is gonna be topped. And I want to make a point that is very possible, guys, very possible that this is the top in the euro. We need to wait and see. Now let me get to oil and the dollar index, guys. In oil, nothing has changed. We still see this as a 3-way here. Now I want to make a point that this can be also a B way, but I believe that the momentum to the upside in oil is lacking, and the oil is gonna drop pretty soon, either in the wave 2 or it's gonna drop in a type of wave C to the 618, and then this become A, this become B. That's an alternative scenario, but we believe that oil should get weak for next week. I want you guys to understand this. Oil should get weak for next week, which is gonna prove the US dollar to get strong. We're getting close now to areas like 102. I will be mentioning 100 and 102 area as a possible resistant area, which is also the high of this proposal correction here. So it's very likely either for 102. If it drops for 102, then this is a big wave. If it was from 101 for 100 right here, then this is a wave too. And then the US dollar, guys, the US dollar no change at all. In the 4-hour US dollar, what we're seeing is the same scenario as a euro. If this is A and 5, then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to around 73.60 that we mentioned. If this is in 3, then we can get a B here, and then we can get like ABC, WS, ABC to the same area, or we can get the diagonal one when we got 1, 2, 3, a 4, and a 5. Anyway, we're seeing for the beginning of the week possible top or more weakness in the US dollar, and then we're gonna see the strength on the dollar after that. On the dailies of the US dollar, let me see if I have the daily here. I don't think I do. No. On the US dollar daily, okay, this is on the daily US dollar. Nothing really has changed. We still see this as, we're seeing it as A, B, C when these two legs they're equal, and now we are correcting the whole move in three ways. So 76.33, 76.63 is a very huge level in the US dollar. So let's leave it there, guys, and see you guys tomorrow on the seminar.